Welcome back, everybody. This video is going to be about polynomials. Now, we're going to spend a lot of time with polynomials over the course of our class. So for right now, I just want to jog your memory on what they even are. Let's get started. A polynomial is just a combination of algebraic expressions, and we call each of those expressions terms in the polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power that shows up on a variable. A general polynomial looks like this big scary expression here. an x to the n plus an minus 1 x to the n minus 1 plus 3 dots plus a2 x squared plus a1x plus a0. Really, this is just saying that I've got a number times x to some power plus another number times x to one less power, so on and so forth, until I count all the way down to just a constant, or x to the 0 power. So, just to get some practice, let's expand each of the following and find their degree. In the first one, and by the way, if this foiling process is still a little bit shaky for you, don't worry too much. We're going to come back to it in more detail later. I can FOIL, remember FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last, these guys out, to get 10x squared plus 6x minus 15x minus 9. Combining my like terms, I get... That one took me a little bit longer than it should have. This. So the degree of this polynomial is 2, since 2 is the highest power of x that shows up. Why don't you pause the video here and see if you can try the next one on your own. Plus 3x squared minus 15. And of course, the highest power of x that appears there is x to the 5th. Now, for part C, there is a really common mistake that shows up in this one that I want to address. This guy, and I'm going to write it in red so that we know it's bad, is not 7x squared plus 5y squared. I cannot just distribute that power over the addition. Remember what exponents mean. They are repeated multiplication of the thing they're being applied to. So what this is actually equal to, and I'm going to put this in a thought bubble and shrink it down so we can repress that bad thought. And write, this is actually 7x plus 5y times itself. Seven x plus 5y times itself. Now, I FOIL it out. And what I get is 49x squared plus 35 x times y plus another 35 x times y plus 25 y squared. And combining my like terms, I get 49x squared plus 70 x times y plus 25 y squared. So what's the degree here? Well, this is actually kind of a fun polynomial because it's a polynomial in multiple variables, right? I've got x and y showing up in this polynomial. To find the degree of these guys, we find the term that has the highest combined powers. So notice this one has 2 x's, so this term has degree 2. This has 1 x and 1 y, so this term is degree 2. And this term has 2 y's, so it's degree 2. Since all of these are tied for the highest degree term, they all kind of count, and this one is degree 2. In this video, we got a quick refresher about what polynomials even are. That's going to do it for now in our discussion on polynomials, though we'll have a much deeper one a little bit later. Catch y'all in the next one.